Okay, so you're interested in the beauty box. So I figured I'd just show you what it looks like, right? So this is what the beauty box looks like. Oh, and I have some of my own stuff in here. But this is what comes in it. Some of it I just already own and have played with already. So the box itself is super cute. Now, first things first, you can get the beauty box for yourself, what I call a kidnapper. Just grab the goodies for the super good deal, only $99 no matter what, plus shipping, of course. And you can just take it and run. Or you can stick with me and join my beauty team and make money with it like I do. Either way, totally fine. No hard feelings. I love it either way. Okay? So just say beauty kit or beauty box if that's what you're interested in. I can never talk straight. It's fine. If you want more information, ask me questions. But after that, let me just show you what comes in it, okay? It's pretty awesome. So when you open it, it's super cute. And this box is so big. Look at my orang on there. It's like I need to be displayed. So there's tons of stuff in top, inside, whatever. And then a drawer you pull out and more stuff inside the drawer. So this is like, if I didn't already have this ginormous vanity, like whenever I first started out, I had like one makeup bag. And this box would have been great to have because I could have kept all my makeup in here. Like the only thing it needs is a mirror. And it's like a pop-up vanity. Like if I just put a mirror here, man, it'd be a travel vanity. Next idea. Okay, let me just tell you what's inside. I have such squirrel moments. Just bear with me, okay? So you're gonna get a lash primer. Best thing on the planet. I've never used a lash primer that actually works. If you haven't tried it yet, that's the only lash primer and I cannot go without it. You'll get an Epic 4D mascara. You'll get one of those. That like is amazing as well. You'll get 2 Epic mascaras, okay? So this is, I already opened this one and have been using it, but you get 2 of these. So you can keep them both. You can give one to a friend. You can sell one of them to just start making money right off the bat. Get your money back that you spent on the kit. Just totally up to you and what you want to do with all this, right? And then you're going to get a lash serum. Again, I've opened it and already started using it. So this like helps nourish your lashes, grow your lashes, everything. I gave it to my sister during quarantine because her lashes were so shot from lash extensions. So really good solution for that. Okay, let me get the drawers open. Okay, so you're gonna get a lot of full-size items, mostly all full-size items, but if I can get this open, look, unique tweezers to the rescue. These are foundation samples. So you can go ahead and start matching yourself, find what shade fits you. You can match your friends and family and, or just use it as a sample. But I really like it for finding your foundation shade and then being able to order which one you know exactly matches you. And you can also get that like a Flawless 4 bundle for a discount, but we can get into that later. You'll get a catalog. Oh. And then more about like the top selling products. And you'll get a mask sample. I used them all, but you'll get a mask sample of each mask that we have, which is an exfoliating mask, brightening mask, detox skin perfecting mask, oil control mask, and hydrating mask. Oh, they're so good. And you actually get a full-size hydrating mask in your kit. So this is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like on the inside. And it smells so good, like tropical. I love this one. And the hydrating one you can sleep in, if you did not know. If you didn't know it already, you can sleep in that one. It's pretty awesome. Okay, you also get Behold setting powder. I use this every freaking day under my eyes, if you didn't know already. You get a liquid eyeshadow. Love this stuff. I wore it on my wedding day. Bible. Okay. You get a fluffy crease brush. That's what I use every time I do my eyeshadow, including the look I just did. It's what I apply the eyeshadow in my crease with. Okay. You get a dip and draw black eyeliner. Use this for my wings. And look at that. Look how fine that tip is. It's amazing. Love, love, love that. You get 2 Splash liquid lipsticks. These are out of the packaging because hello, I'm not gonna leave them in there. They're too good not to use. Best liquid lipsticks ever because they stay creamy, they don't dry out your lips, but they're still nice and matte. So I love, love, love them. You get a quad palette. So this is a really fancy eyeshadow palette and it's magnetic. First of all, it closes magnetically. And then the eyeshadows pop in and out. So any of the unique eyeshadows that you ever purchase, you can like just trade them out. So every time I go out of town or travel or just putting together an eye look that I want to display, I can just put in whatever colors I want, throw it in my makeup bag and go, okay? Super awesome. Now, I won't know what shades you're gonna get. They change all the time about just based off what's in stock, okay? Then you're gonna get Ala Mode. This is a luminizer. This is like your highlight that goes on your cheek. I put it down the center of my nose. And I don't know what shade you'll get in this either, but this is the shade Lustrous, which I love. It's like my favorite natural. I like Lustrous, Benevolent, and I forgot what the other one is. It starts with an I. And then last but not least, you will get Rose Water. I haven't opened this one yet because I have one opened already that's still pretty full, but I love this stuff. This is part of my skincare routine and it can also be a setting spray, but I put it on after I wash my face, before my moisturizer and all that. Or if I've just done a mask, I do my mask and then put on my toning spray, okay? And then last but not least, you're gonna get a cute little charm. So if you're doing this for the business, this is gonna be one of many charms that you'll earn every time that you hit a milestone in the company. If you're not doing this for the business, it's just a really cute, unique charm, okay? Either way, that's everything. Let me put my, I didn't put my papers back. It's such a big box. You get so much. It's amazing. Ugh. Can I do it? Will it close? Okay. All right, so that's everything that comes in it. Let me know what you'd like to do, if you just want the beauty box or if you want to dive in and start making money with it like I do. Either way is totally fine, and I am eager to hear what you have to say. You're gonna love this box, I promise. Talk soon. Bye.